Hi, I'm Jelai. If you're new here, I make videos that I can explore my capabilities to challenge myself. Hello people! Today, I'm gonna be making a flaky flour tortilla. The ingredients would be 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Then the last ingredients would be 1.5 glasses of water. But I suggest you put half of the water first and then you mix it up together. Then add in the remaining water. Mix all of the ingredients together until there is no dry clumps of flours that will remain. When the ingredients have come together, you can now knead it by hand. You'll know that the dough is ready when you have cleared the bowl and it's no longer sticky, and when you press it, it bounces back together slowly. Cover the dough with a cling wrap or a tea towel and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's heat up around 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Transfer it in a bowl and let this cool down. After our dough has rested, transfer it into a work surface and just roll it into a log and then cut it and divide the dough according to the size that you want. I did mine for about 8 pieces. After we have cut and divided the dough, we will now form our dough into a dough ball. Just repeat it with the rest of our dough. Afterwards, we transfer our dough ball into a sheet tray or a pan, but you need to flour first the surface so it won't stick to the bottom of the tray or the plate. Cover the dough with a cling wrap or a towel so that the dough will still be soft when you mold it. Flour your work surface and your dough and just press it down to release the gases and just continue to mold it into a flour tortilla. The dough should be really thin as possible because we would have to mold it in a different style. When you think your dough is thin enough, we will now brush it with our melted butter. Just spread the butter evenly throughout all the sides and the center of our dough. ends of your dough and slowly roll it into a log, coming from the bottom to the top, slowly. Then take the other end and roll it like a donut. For the other end, just press it and tuck it underneath your dough. At this time, you will need to preheat your pan to medium-high. And just repeat the process with the rest of your dough. After all of the dough have already been molded, take the first dough that you have molded and flour your work surface and just press it down and roll it using a rolling pin in order for us to make the last part, which is by making the flour tortilla. Then slowly lay the dough to your pan. Then cook one side for less than a minute and just turn it on the other side to cook it as well. While waiting for our flour to get cooked, just continue molding the rest of the dough. This tortilla bread is actually a staple for Arab countries. They eat this with their viand instead of rice. In Arab cultures, they always make their bread fresh. That's why they eat this, or they make this a few minutes before they eat, because it's easy to prepare and it's more tasty and yummy when it's still hot and fresh. Taste test, guys. It's really yummy and super flaky and soft. You can pair this with chicken, beef, and some salads, and it's really so good. I do highly recommend eating this after it has been made and cooked, since I tried eating it after like a day or two and just reheat it in the pan with butter. It's actually not that good anymore. It's kinda hard to chew or swallow because it becomes more like gummy. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in another one. Bye!